Hi everybody, today we're going to get ready for a wedding. I did a video like this about a year and a half ago, but it was requested again, so I'm doing a new one. So let's get started. I always use Skinn products, and this is their softening essence. I just put a few drops all over, and it's kind of interesting. This stuff really works well for me, the whole line. And when I first started YouTube, I just thought, if I could just get some free stuff, that would just be the best. And funny thing is, the next thing I use is this serum. It's called Age Reset. Not too long ago, I got a box of beautiful skincare products, and I felt really bad. I sent them back because this is what works for me. I have done videos on other people's products sometimes, and I thought, you know, I'm just not gonna do that anymore for the most part, because what I really use are skin products. So I'm not getting paid by Skinn, but this is what I like. This is their lip serum. It's called Collageneses, lip 6X, I think. Looks like that. Oh, Lip Stem Regen Elite. Used to be called something else. I've been using it so long, I kind of don't even notice when they change certain things. They always improve the line as they go along, and sometimes they change the names, but basically it's a lip serum. I put it on my lips, I put it around my lips, and you won't see it immediately, but it definitely kind of plumps them out after a few minutes. And then I use their eye serum, Eye Stem Regen. Same thing. Put on a little drop or two and just go around the eyes. And it feels really cool, really soothing. And again, it kind of plumps up that crinkly area a little bit and makes me feel a little better about myself. And then the last thing I'm going to use for my skincare today is the Creme Reverse, also the Collageneses line. One thing I do find is that I'm better with the Collageneses line than, I think it's called Hydrovital. That is, if you don't have dry skin, that's perfectly fine. But if you have really dry skin, like I do, that might not be enough for you. I get these products on Evine, or I get them on Skinn.com. If you have something that works for you, by all means, stick with it. If you want to try what I use, this is what I use. And if you sign up for the emails from Skinn.com or Evine.com, they'll let you know when he's on TV. And even if you can't watch, that's when the best prices are. So that's when I usually buy things. Okay, so now I'm ready for my makeup, and I'm going to be using his CC cream. His name's Dimitri James, and he created this line. He was a makeup artist and an esthetician. Kind of like getting it out here. This is the CC cream that I mixed with his sunscreen. He doesn't recommend this, but I do it anyway. I take a tube of his CC cream, a tube of his sunscreen, and mix them together and shake it up. But I already shook it up. So I'm touching it all over. So that way I'm going to have a little sunscreen. The wedding I'm going to is going to be in a few months. It's not right away. We're just sort of doing a test run. But it might be outside because it's in Florida. So I would want sunscreen. So anyhow, this guy, Dimitri James, worked for these big cosmetic houses, and he felt really bad because women like us, who were maybe on a budget or, you know, a little older, couldn't get the ingredients they needed for the price that they could pay. So he knew he could do better, and he created his own line, and it's not inexpensive, but it's very reasonable for what you get, I think. And it works for me. All right, so this is the blush I'm going to use, also by Skinn. I'll link everything below. It's a cream stick blush, and I really like it. I just put a little bit on each cheekbone, pat it in, and it looks a little shiny right now, but it's all going to sink in just fine. Okay, now I'm going to do my little trouble spots. Usually I have a mirror beside the camera, but I forgot it today, so hopefully I'm doing all right. I'm just using the camera for my mirror. Okay, this is Skinn eyeshadow. It's called About Time. Looks like a clock. And I'm going to be using the pink. So you can see there's kind of a sheer pink up here, purpley pink, and then some deeper plum colors. I'm going to be using those today because I'm wearing sort of a peachy pink dress. So I'm starting out with this one on kind of a large brush, and I'll put it everywhere. And one thing that I found when I was younger is that we all have a makeup drawer, and we all have a bunch of things in there that we haven't used in a while. And not too long ago, I was asked to do a video on how to take care of yourself. I've done those before, and how to be good to yourself. And one thing you can do is to use the things that you have. When I was younger, I'm going to take this purpley one right now. I would watch these cosmetic shows on the shopping channels, and I couldn't really afford to get anything at the time. And I thought, oh, if I could just get those cosmetics, everything would be great, you know. My life would be so much better. But the truth was, I went in the bathroom, I had this box of makeup that I hardly ever used. And I thought, well, I wonder if I could get the same results with my makeup. And of course, I could. It's just using it. So you may not be at the point where you can get the exact type of makeup that you want now, but you have makeup. Just use it. Just take a little time for yourself and put on your makeup, and you'll feel so much better. Okay, I'm gonna use that same plum color with a little brush and go around. I'm gonna go under my eyes, just lightly, and above, just for definition. I'm a little shaky today. I haven't done this in a while. Sometimes I don't do YouTube very much because, I don't know, it's overwhelming sometimes. Like, not only do you have to do videos, which are fun, but you kind of have to keep up on everybody else's videos and know what's going on and what's popular and stuff like that. And sometimes I feel like I just can't keep up. So if you ever feel that way, I can totally relate. But sometimes I get messages from you guys and I miss you. So I am back. I'm very happy to be back. This is a little Skinn mascara. It's called Lash Explosion. So I'm going to put some of that on the top. There we go. I'm not going to put any on the bottom because I might cry at a wedding, probably. And you could use waterproof mascara if you want to. That would probably be a better idea. I don't think this kind is waterproof, but obviously there's lots of wonderful waterproof mascaras that you can use. So basically, I feel like if you want to pamper yourself, if you want to feel good, think about the skin products and the makeup that you have and just take a little extra time and use them. And no matter what they are, they're going to make you feel better. This is a lip liner from Skinn in a pink shade. Again, I'll link everything below. And I'm just going to go around. Next, I have a lipstick from Skinn, also in pink. I think this one's called Carnation, yeah. There we go. And you could stop with that if you wanted to, but I'm gonna add just a touch of gloss. And this is called Eternal, I think. It's just sort of a peachy pink because I'm wearing kind of a peachy pink. I'm gonna put that on top. There we go. And I'm just going to add a little perfume. This is something I got on HSN a while back. It's Juicy Couture Rosé. I love that. Actually, somebody's gonna go, you're not supposed to use perfume by your pearls, but I kind of kept it away. Oh, I forgot my brows. Let's do that. And then I'll show you my outfit. Actually, then I'll do my hair, then I'll do my outfit. So the same thing kind of goes for hair and accessories. A lot of times I used to spend way too much time on my makeup, and then I would just kind of have no time for my hair. So you need to kind of give yourself enough time when you're going somewhere to start earlier so you can do everything. I put my curlers in, we'll take them out together in a sec. But it really does help. I feel like a lot of times we just rush, and then we wonder why we don't feel that great, and it's because it takes a while, you know, and giving yourself time costs nothing, but it really makes a difference in how you feel. Okay, so now we'll take out the curlers, and I have on a little pink pearl necklace that my daughter-in-law Amy gave me, which I love. I'm wearing that to the wedding. And then these earrings aren't an exact match, but I think I probably got these on JTV, and I like them together. Your jewelry doesn't always have to match. It doesn't always have to be, you know, those big statement necklaces that a lot of people wear. Something simple and classic is always fun. It always works. So if you are on a limited budget, don't worry, just get something that you feel like you can get a lot of mileage out of, like a little pearl necklace, a little gold chain, something like some cubic zirconia studs or some gold hoops. They do not have to be real gold, but something that's kind of a workhorse is going to give you a lot of bang for your buck. Okay, so let's see how this turned out. Not bad. And I'm gonna add a little hairspray. And I got this on QVC. I like it. This is my current favorite Nick Chavez hairspray. And I find it holds pretty well, but you can brush through it if you need to. And the last thing I'm just gonna show you, because I already put this on, is this body cream by Skinn. And what I like about it is it has just the slightest bit of a tint. So if you put it on your legs, I'm just gonna put some on my shoulders so you can see. It has a little tiny bit of a sheen, not much, and a little tiny bit of sort of a peachy hint. So that's what I used on my legs and my body. Okay, now I'll show you not my workout outfit, my outfit. So here's the shoes, just beige shoes, a little watch, a little bracelet, simple jewelry, and I almost forgot, my sister gave me this darling clutch. See, it's patent leather and suede, and it goes with my shoes. I have to back up again. See, it's kind of an exact match, not totally exact, but close enough. So that's what I would wear. But I'm going to show you a few other things that you might like to consider. This is the dress that I wore in the last wedding video. It's a beige lace dress, and I wore pearls with it. I think lace dresses are a really good investment for kind of like anything. You can wear them to a cocktail party. You can wear them for a date night. You can, there you go, wear them to weddings, obviously. Here's a little red sheath with a gold necklace. And you could also do for springtime a little pink sheath and wear the pink pearls that I have on. So that's it for today, ladies. I hope you enjoyed this. I love you so much, and I hope you have a fun day, whatever you're doing. Bye.